Yo, Zay, that's your beat.
What's up, boys? It's your boy KZ Beats, back with another video. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome back to the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. It will be greatly appreciated if everyone would like this video, or even if you don't like this video, but hit the thumbs up button. If you don't like the video, double tap that thumbs down button, because so today we're gonna be chopping it up and cooking up. I don't know what type of beat this is yet. Let's just see what we can get into. I'm trying to go for like a little melody, like melodic, slow, soft, ambient type beat. So maybe a Travis Scott type beat, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what we can do. Let's get into this, boys. Subscribe to the channel so you'll be back for another video. This one was a little different, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video. It's got a lot planned for you boys from now on. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all on the next video. Also, the drum kits that I use, all the sounds that I use for this will be in the description for the drum kit. It's my 1KZ Bangs drum kit. It's out right now for free, so y'all boys go run it up.
Yo, Zay, that's your beat.